Asus ZenFone 3 display assembly repair.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Asus smartphone. Eject the SIM card and microSD card tray. The ZenFone 3 rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the narrow bezel. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass rear panel from the phone. Remove the following 19 Phillips screws. Detach the fingerprint sensor cable and signal cable from the ZenFone 3 motherboard. Use a spudger to pry up the plastic exterior midframe. It includes the ZenFone 3 fingerprint sensor and rear camera lens cover. Extricate the Asus ZenFone 3 loudspeaker module from the bottom of the phone. Detach the ZenFone 3 battery connector from the motherboard. Extract the signal cable from the side of the interior midframe. Peel up the piece of Kapton tape and disconnect the display cable from the daughter board. Detach the interconnect cable. Remove the falling Phillips screw. Remove the daughter board from the Asus phone. It includes the ZenFone 3 USB-C port, primary microphone, vibrator, spring contacts, and some control hardware. Locate the two peel to remove adhesive tabs at the bottom of the ZenFone 3 battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide.
Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the Asus smartphone. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the mid-frame. And just like that, out pops the 3000 mAh 3.85 volt Asus ZenFone 3 battery. Disconnect the bevy of cables from the Asus ZenFone 3 motherboard. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws. Carefully free the motherboard from the gob of thermal paste, securing it to the Asus phone. Remove the following Phillips screw. With the tweezers in hand, pry the 3.5mm headphone jack and microphone assembly up and away from the chassis. Tweeze out the spring contact connected ZenFone 3 earpiece speaker. Remove the 16-megapixel Asus ZenFone 3 rear-facing camera with the latest Sony IMX298 sensor. Peel the digitizer cable up from the Asus mid-frame.
Begin to free the 5.5-inch ZenFone 3 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive, securing it to the interior mid-frame.
With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Use the playing card to attack the sticky adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display's cable when decoupling the Asus ZenFone 3 screen from the frame.
All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials.